Welcome to the Client Center Referral and Google Review Walkthrough tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you how to enable Google Review, the process a client will go through when rating your agency through Client Center, the referral process and settings. So, let's get started. At EZLynx we understand that your agency's best promoters are your existing policyholders. Good word-of-mouth marketing is the best way to earn more business. Having a referral and rating option is a great way to make this happen. Additionally, frequent positive reviews tell customers that you're trustworthy and show how you stand out from the competition. First, to have this feature you must have both Client Center and Sales Center. To know if you have Client Center, navigate to an applicant's account. To the left on the applicant's pane, you will see the Client Center icon. To know if you have Sales Center, you will see the Sales Center icon to the left in the navigation bar. If you do not have these products, please reach out to your sales agent. Now, if you do have the two products, you should have the Client Center referral program. To tell if you do, you must be a Client Center admin. Hover over the settings gear. Then click on Client Center. Under General Preferences, scroll down and you will see the Client Center referral settings. Here you can set a referral incentive text. This is blank by default but is a good way to mention a reward for referrals. Under that, you have the option to use the default messages for the events, or click Customize to enter your own message. If you make any changes, please click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Next, let's take a look at Google Reviews for the Client Center referral program. First, you must be an agency admin to set this up. Second, you must have a Google Business account. To learn about Google Business account, check out google.com/business. Once these are confirmed, navigate to the Connect Marketplace by hovering over the Marketplace icon. Then click Home. From here, using the search bar, search for Google Review. Click on the Google Review card. Next, click on Actions to the top right. From here you will see the option to add integration, hide and configure for branch agencies. Click on Add Integration. To learn more about Connect Marketplace, please watch how to enable, disable, and hide Connect integrations. On the new page, using the Enter a Location field, search for your business. Once found, click on the correct location from the drop-down. Next, confirm the location by checking Use this business. Under that, if you have branch locations, you can choose to have your branch location use the same Google review system by checking Inherited by all child branches. Next, if you agree with the terms and conditions, check I agree. Finally, click Save to finish setting up the Google Reviews integration for Client Center. Next, let's look at what your policyholders will see in Client Center. Please note, agents will not be able to see the rate option in Client Center when using the read-only Client Center view. Agents are always put in read-only mode when they click on the Client Center icon on a client's account. To trigger the option to leave a rating, the policyholder must perform a task in Client Center. The tasks can be downloading an ID card, document or certificate, requesting a certificate or policy change, and making a payment or interacting with the Connect cross-sell offerings. If no task is completed, the option to leave a rating will not populate, but once a survey is completed, the survey will not appear for 6 months. After 6 months the survey will appear again the next time the policyholder completes a self-help task. For this demonstration, we will download a file from Client Center. Now we will see an option to leave a rating from 1 to 5 stars. 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest rating. If a customer rates your agency 1, 2 or 3 stars, a comment box will appear allowing them to give a reason. They can click anywhere outside of the text box to decline to comment. If they do leave a comment, it will trigger a new task notification based on your agency admin settings. The task notification will help you understand and take actions in a timely fashion to improve your customer service. To learn more about tasks notifications, please watch Creating Notes and Tasks with Agency Workspace. Next, if a policyholder gives a rating of 4 or 5 stars, this means they are happy with the service and may want to leave a written review, or refer someone. After giving a positive rating, they will see the referral incentive text and Google Review option, if enabled. If they choose Google Review, they will be redirected to your Google page where they can provide positive reviews about their experience. Once a customer gives a Google review, the option for a Google review will not reappear for 1 year, while the referral option will reappear after 6 months. Please note, we do not show the Google reviews anywhere inside of EZLynx. To see the Google reviews, you must go directly to your Google review page for your business. Next, if they choose to refer someone, they will have the option to enter their information for the referral. When referring someone, the insured must provide a first name, last name. Either an email or phone number must be provided. Additionally, they can provide the type of insurance if known but not required for the referral. When ready, they will submit. Back on the insured page in EZLynx, if the consumer provides a rating but does not refer someone, or comment, then nothing will appear. EZLynx is working on coming up with a report for survey feedback, so be on the lookout for future releases. Now let's talk about what happens with the information from the referral. When a customer refers someone, a prospect account will automatically be created and the prospect will be linked to the insured that referred them. Please note, the account type will match what was entered for type of insurance. If nothing or other was selected, then the account type will be created as the same as the customer who referred them. If both personal and business are selected, then 2 accounts will be created and linked together. To check account type, go to the Details tab and it will show at the top of the page. In addition to creating a prospect account for the new referral, if the Sales Center admin has Create New Opportunities automated event turned on, the system will automatically create a sales opportunity in Sales Center and set the opportunity source to Referral, Client Center. Depending on admin settings, you may get a notification for when the new referral comes in. To learn more about Sales Center settings, please watch our Sales Center Setup and Settings video. That is all for this course on Client Center referrals. You should now have the knowledge and skills needed to set up settings, enable Google Review and manage Client Center referrals. Thanks for watching.